save both the files, and then execute by Control F11. So once I execute this, so now it is asking to enter a string. I'll enter a string called Java. So what is my first print statement has to print?
Uh,
So here is my first print
Original.
statement. Original string has to be Java. What's reverse of it?
AVAJ.
Reverse is AVAJ. Then is it a palindrome or not a palindrome?
Not a palindrome.
Not a palindrome, right? So now let me check. Original string is Java, reverse is AVAJ, and Java is not a palindrome. Understood? Now here, let me save it. I'll re-execute, and this time I'm giving an input called as Malayalam. Is it a palindrome? Yes.
Yes,
Original
sir.
string is Malayalam, reverse also Malayalam, and when we compare, it's a palindrome. So I'll re-execute for one more input.
Divide.
Divide is not divide is
No,
not a
sir.
palindrome. Any word, any statement. We have so many statements, right? Anything? I remember, but I something like go for some word
I'll Google it, sir.
statements. Just quickly you Google it and tell me. Palindrome statement you can say. You will find so many. Which is uniform with spaces also.
Yes, sir. Was it a car or a cat I saw?
Mhm. Okay, so here was it a car
Car or
or
a cat I saw?
a cat I saw? Okay, so because of spaces it goes wrong. So I will not give any space. Because of spaces it will become not a palindrome. So now let us check without spaces. Was it a car or a cat I saw? So that I'm giving without spaces. Now let us check. It's a palindrome. Yeah, that's it. With spaces means no, sometimes it goes wrong. But without spaces, if we consider, it is a palindrome. With spaces, it's not. It's not. Yeah, so this is the generic logic which works for every input of string to print it's a palindrome or not a palindrome. It's a method-based approach. Is it understood? Or do you have any questions?
Yes, sir.
So for your reference,
No,
if it
sir.
is required, you can take this is a loop logic.
Sir, string object or characters array internally.
Yeah,
I didn't get that, sir. Can you explain
that's
that?
what I don't know. So here can we able to access a character directly by using this like arrays with array name and index position?
No, sir.
So because it is not possible for strings directly, because they are internally character arrays, then how to access this? This is the way to access.
Okay, sir.
It is internally, not for a programmer to access like arrays.
Okay,
Then
sir.
how a programmer can access? By using caret method. So this is the second method uh, that we are using on strings equals, then caret. One more method we used, length method. Yeah. So there are most commonly used methods are 10 to 15. We should know how they work. Clear with this, guys? Reverse of a string. Am I clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then, so here is my challenge. So for one string, say some yes equals. Can you tell me some string statement? Okay, I'll take I space love space Java. This is a string, correct? The
Yes,
first
sir.
question, is write a program to reverse the string. What's the first thing? We can reverse from every character in reverse order. So like I love space Java. This is what we did just now, right? We executed just now a
Yes, sir.
program now. So this is already done. So my next question is write a program to reverse of string. The reverse should be I should be as it is. It means if you reverse I also, I only know. Then space love has to be reversed. Then space Java has to be reversed. This should be the output. This is the question number 2. Then question number 3, again write a program to reverse of a string only, but the reverse has to be, the words has to be reversed. What is that? Java, then love, then I. This should be next output. One more program. Okay. Then any other possibility? If you reverse this each word also, it will become like this only. That is one more question. That's all. Yeah. These two things are based on reverse of a string only. So please think and practice them. I'm forcing you to learn some methods. Without some method, it is not possible here. I did not say what's the method. Try and explore. Then
Length minus brackets minus 2. If we start now, sir, then it will happen, right, sir?
no, it will not happen.
For first.
Then the next string question, string s equals in double quotes 100. Correct syntax or wrong? Correct only. Then
Correct.
write a Java program to print the output as 101. Output has to be 101. But input is 100 in string format. Yeah, do it. So these are some questions to start with. There are so many questions to discuss. So with this, I'll stop for the day and we'll continue in our tomorrow's class.